In this video we are going to see Beck 984M series differential pressure transmitters complete technical specification part 1. Welcome to Inside Control System YouTube channel. Device overview. Beck differential pressure transmitters are used to measure air applications. The differential pressure transmitters of the 984 series are used to measure differential pressure, overpressure, and vacuum. It provides up to 8 pressure ranges and 2 output signals, which are easily selectable by jumper or rotary selector switch. If you purchase the DP transmitter, it includes a DP sensor and a manual that covers the technical details and programming process. Other accessories must be ordered separately. Material data: measuring method is piezo resistive pressure transducer. Protection class is IP54 with protection cap or IP00 without protection cap. Housing material: housing with process connection P2 made from ABS. Base part with process connection P1 made from POM. This is M16 cable gland and conduit thread is 1.5 standard on protection cap. Weight is approximately 135 grams. Dimensions: diameter 86 mm, depth 57.5 mm. This is mounting bracket hole. This is process connection P1 and P2. Hose connection with 6 mm outer diameter. Accessories: metal mounting bracket S-shaped and L-shaped. Snap-on plastic bracket S-shaped and L-shaped. 2 meters PVC hose and silicone hose and 2 plastic pipes. 2 meters PVC hose and silicone hose and 2 angled metal pipes. Duct connecting pipe, angled metal pipe, rubber grommet. Roll with 100 meters PVC hose and silicone hose. Depending on your application and mounting location, you can order the accessories separately. Model specification: 984 is represented as the series of a Beck product family. The 984M series has manual offset compensation and 2 pressure ranges. The 984Q series has automated offset compensation and 8 pressure ranges. The 984A series has automated offset compensation and 2 pressure ranges. The model number is printed in bold type on the top cap. The 984M indicates Beck DP sensor series. Next digit 5 indicates the IP protection class. Next digit 5 indicates the configurable pressure range. Next digit 3 indicates the pressure unit. Next digit 3 indicates the output signal and supply voltage. Next digit 1 indicates the display option. Next 4 and B indicates the electrical connection via screw terminal block option. Jumper settings: this is mode or offset button. This is set or switching level button. This is switching LED light. The LED lights up as soon as the defined pressure is reached or exceeded. This is LED display. The pressure value can be read out on a red LED display in Pascal or other pressure units. If the jumper is inserted, the selected mode is activated. If you remove the jumper, it goes to factory default mode. The first jumper slot specifies whether the measurement range is low or high. The second jumper slot indicates whether response times are slow or fast. The third jumper slot is not used. The fourth jumper slot represents the output signal voltage or current. If you want to remove all of these jumpers, you can safely insert 2 into each of these 2 slots and the other into a not used slot. Measuring data: the pressure range is configured via a jumper. The maximum number of pressure ranges is 2. Manual offset compensation is available. Automated offset compensation is not available in this model. Overload capacity is 85 kilopascals. Bursting pressure is 135 kilopascals. Electrical data: electrical connection is 3-wire. Supply voltage is 18 to 30 volt AC or DC. The output signal of the 3-wire version can be changed between 0 to 10 volt and 4 to 20 milliamperes by removing a jumper. The Series 984M is also available in a 2-wire version with 4 to 20 mA output signal. Load for 0 to 10 volts output is greater than 1 kΩ and less than 10 mA. Load for 4 to 20 mA output is 20 to 500 ohms. Maximum current draw with display for DC is 70 mA and AC is 180 mA. Without display for DC is 50 mA and AC is 140 mA. Terminal connection. Electrical connection is screwed terminal block for the wires and strands up to 1.5 mm². Terminal 1 or G is supply voltage. Terminal 2 or Y is output signal. Terminal 3 or G0 is ground. Terminal 4 or S is switching output. Functional data. Long-term stability is less than ±1% full scale. Response time is 0.2 seconds and 1 second. Response time free selectable between 0.2 seconds and 20 seconds. Linearity includes hysteresis and repeatability is less than ±0.5% of full scale, and minimum ±1 Pascal. Uncertainty. Total error band without long-term and temperature effects is ±1% full scale, minimum ±1 Pascal. Other datas. It can be mounted in any position. Screw mounting with serrated screws. The zero offset calibration eliminates any possible position error. Certification is European Conformity Conformance and Restriction of Hazardous Substances Conformance. Working in storage temperature is -20 to +70 degrees Celsius. Humidity is 0 to 95% RH non-condensing. Applications. Monitoring of gaseous, non-combustible and non-aggressive media. Building automation and air conditioning systems. Overpressure measurement in clean rooms and laboratories. Measurement of constant pressure in VAV applications. Dynamic filter and ventilator monitoring. The programming process and wire connection will be covered in the next Part 2 video. I hope you found this video useful and thank you for watching. Have a great day.